Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video where today we'll be taking a look at this n8n workflow for lead qualification. This lead qualification system will save you countless hours every single week because you won't need to hop on calls with prospects that are not qualified or not a great fit for your particular business. It will be able to take leads and separate them into different groups and then put them into different workflows essentially and send them correct emails based on their lead score. So for example, if lead score is high, they'll get a booking link. If it's medium high, they're gonna get a nurture sequence, and then if it's low, they'll get a link to a free resources. So that way you keep all of the prospects information for future email campaigns or something like that. And the great fit clients will get on a call with you as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right. So first, let's see what accounts we'll be using for today's tutorial. Okay. So you're gonna need your OpenAI API key for the three nodes that we're using here. Then you'll need some sort of CRM table or database. I'm using Airtable in this case. This is the setup I have here. We'll take a look at this close in details in a bit. Then you'll need Gmail account, which you obviously have. And for the bottom part here, for the booking part of this flow, you will need either Calendly, TidyCal, or something else that works in a similar way to book the links. I'm using TidyCal because it is free when it comes to API access, where Calendly offers a paid version only for the access to the APIs. And then you obviously need a type form or some kind of custom app like this one that I made using Lovable to collect leads information. Or you might have some other type of way of collecting information, which is fine also. All right, so let's take a look at this Airtable base now. So as you can see, we have a couple of different fields here. We have a name, we have email, what's their main challenge, what's their budget, what is their commitment level, um, what is their lead score, lead state, and lead status, proposal, and attachments. So proposal and attachment will become useful in the next video, or like the part 2 of this video essentially, where we'll take a look in automatic proposal generator. So stay tuned for that one. But for today's video, we'll need everything until the lead status here. So if we go into type form, as you can see, we have different fields here. So we have a name, question, it's a question, and then we have email field, their biggest challenge field, what's their monthly budget, and how committed are they. And at the end here, we trigger a webhook with this URL, or this URL. It's a test URL, which means that this needs to be inactive. So whenever you, in n8n, whenever you switch this to active, you need to be using the production URL inside of the webhook. Okay, so let's see it in action. So I have some data already here pinned, so I don't need to use any of my monthly 10 submissions for Typeform. But as you can see down here, we have answers to the questions. So first we have name, Alex Jameson, we have email, then we have the biggest challenge, then we have their budget and their interest rate down here, or like commitment level. So now if I test this workflow, as you can see, you have only two records in here. Okay, so let me just take you through this entire flow. So we get the data from the type form, then we use this OpenAI node here to message on model and then clean up their biggest challenge answer to a like nice, concise sentence or a couple of words. Then we create a lead score based on the three variables here. So budget, biggest challenge, and commitment. You're gonna have to change that to your preference. So if you put a lot of importance on their budget, you're gonna want to rank budget as more important than commitment level, for example. So this is something you'll need to change for yourself, this prompt. Then we have this code node here, so that based on lead score, it's going to set the lead status to one of the three options, either free resources if it's 40 or lower, if it's 41 to from 41 to 70, it's gonna get nurture sequence, and then 71 to 100, it's gonna get sent to booking link lead status. And then based on that status, the Airtable gets also updated. So now we can see that Alex Jameson here is lacking guidance. This is all of the information from him. He got a lead score of 90 and he got sent a booking link. Then after that, we have a switch here. So if the lead it has lead status of send booking link, it's gonna get up here, where this node is going to create the body of the email, and then the email is gonna get sent. Then in the nurture here sequence here, we have an HTML email where we just add the user's first name or the prospect's first name, and then down here we have query sources, which is again an HTML email where we just changed the name down here. And now if I look at my email here, yeah, and this is it. This is the email. Are feeling lost in your fitness journey, lacking guidance to reach your health and wellness goals, and so on. You can customize this obviously to whatever you want, also like visually. And down here you have a schedule your discovery call button. So once you click on that, you get to a booking page. I'm using Tidical, like I said, this could be your calendar link, of course, or something else. So for example, I'm just gonna book something with my name and then with my email. And now we're gonna look at the second part of the flow. So now this was successfully booked. Now, as you can see, also the lead status got changed to booked here. From it was send booking link, and then now it's booked. All right. So now the bottom part here. This is set on I have it set on a schedule trigger for every couple minutes. And then this part here, of course, it's just because I use Tidical. If you're using Calendly, what you need to do is just go into here and then get this on event created trigger, and then just connect this into here, and you're done. Or actually, I think you can just connect it to loop over items here, or not even loop over items. Actually, you can just just do this, because whenever a new event is created, it's going to be a single event, so you don't even have to loop it over anything. It's just gonna go into Airtable and update stuff there. But for the Tidical, we need to do a bit more work. So we have HTTP request of all the bookings. Then we use this code node here to get all the emails out from the bookings. So this HTTP request gets everything out, like the names, the questions that answers to the questions, and so on. So now we got only emails out from this data. Then we search for the Airtable records that have send booking link tag, or like lead status. We aggregate those, we compare them, and if any of them match, that means that somebody booked the call. And then if there is no match, there is nothing happens. So this is the end of the flow. And if you do have some emails that matched, they're gonna get split out because we got array from this code node. Then we loop over every single item, and now it's gonna search a record with the ID from here, and then update the record to booked. And once that's done, you're also gonna get a send the email, the confirmation email. In this email, you can send some reflection questions, or what the prospect needs to think about before you get on a call. So in order to have a really productive call or discussion with them. And this is the email you get. So you see, hi Alex, I'm excited to confirm our upcoming discovery call. And then here it would be your meeting link. So that's pretty much it for this flow. We'll just quickly take a look at the other flow. All right, so this is the other flow. This is the lead qualification app flow. So we get information from our custom app here instead of platform. So I'm just gonna delete these records. So we're gonna use the same name. if we go into our app now, I'm gonna get started. So yeah, just real quick, why would you even wanna use a custom app? Because it's essentially free. You can have unlimited leads per month for free. You can customize it fully to your, brand's image. Um, and it just looks better in my opinion than Typeform. Yeah, there's also like no ads for the Typeform, so on. You can, up here I just made it for fun. You can change fonts for people and so on. Yeah, it's just, a really fun thing, I guess. And also useful, not only fun. But okay, yeah, full name. We have that. Maybe we're gonna add an email. Biggest challenges. I'm feeling lost. I don't know where to start. Now I'm gonna intentionally try to get it to a nurture sequence because we already saw the send booking link sequence. So now I'm gonna try to have like a lower budget and then commitment level to, I don't know, 63%. And then thank you, Alex. So now if I look in my email, congrats, Alex, your life's about to change. And we got in a different email this time. Might be, yeah, okay, so we got it into a nurture sequence, which is perfect. That's what we wanted. And this is our nurture sequence email. So there are some like special, 5-minute clarity exercise. I don't know, something that you can encourage people that they want to change, they feel excited to change, and will be more ready for a call with you in the future. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. You'll be able to get um, templates for both the lead qualification app and the Typeform workflow in the link in the description or comments for free. No, don't even need to give me your email or anything. It's fully free. If you have any questions, let me know down in comment sections as well. And if you have any wishes on, and if you have any ideas on what I should do next, let me know as well. The next video that you can expect from me is going to be automatic proposal generator. It's going to be based on this CRM in here. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.